In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new invoice in GnuCash. Let's start inside GnuCash. To open a fresh invoice, go to the top menu and choose Business, then Customer, and click New Invoice. This brings up the main invoice setup window where you'll define who the invoice is for and how it should behave. At the top, you'll see the Type field. Leave it as Invoice for a standard bill to a customer, or choose Credit Note if you're issuing a refund or adjustment. For the invoice ID, you can leave it blank to let GnuCash assign the next number automatically, which keeps your numbering consistent. If you follow a custom numbering scheme, you can enter it manually. The date opened usually defaults to today, but you can adjust it if you're entering historical work or backdated billing. Next, select the customer. Start typing the customer's name and pick it from the dropdown, or use the search to find the right record. If you organize work into jobs for a specific customer, you can optionally assign this invoice to a particular job so you can track it later. In the Terms or Notes area, set your payment terms like net 15 or net 30, and add a short message your customer will see on the invoice, such as a thank you line or delivery details. When everything looks right, click OK to proceed. You'll now see the invoice items window, where you add the line items that make up the invoice. In the description column, enter what you're billing for. This could be a service name, a task summary, or a product. In the action column, select the most appropriate category, such as hours for time-based work or material for goods. Choose the income account that reflects how you track this revenue, typically something like sales income or consulting income, depending on how your chart of accounts is set up. Enter the quantity and the unit price. As you fill these in, GnuCash will calculate the line totals and the overall invoice amount automatically. Add as many lines as you need, and take a moment to review your descriptions and amounts for accuracy. When you're satisfied, it's time to post and print. Posting finalizes the invoice, moves the balance into accounts receivable, and if you left the invoice ID blank earlier, assigns the next invoice number. After posting, you can print the invoice or save it as a PDF to send to your customer. That's it. Your invoice is created, recorded, and ready to share.